everybody, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today is going to be me introducing a new series here on YouTube. I did a poll back in like December, January-ish, one here on YouTube and one on Instagram, asking you guys what you wanted to see more of here on my channel. Now, I love doing DIY, so I wanted to introduce DIY Tuesdays. Typically, I just do DIYs when I'm feeling a little spontaneous, but I wanted to kind of give you guys some practical, easy DIYs, trendy DIYs, things that I see in stores that I know I could make, and just show you guys how I do that here. Now, I'm going to be doing it only on Tuesdays, so every Tuesday there will be a DIY. That way, if you're not really that interested in DIYs, but you're interested in the hair and the fashion aspect of my channel, you can just stay tuned for the Friday post, and that's what that will be. But Tuesdays will be solely dedicated to DIYs. I'm so excited for this new series. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you like this DIY, and I will see you in my next video. Okay guys, so to get started, you want to make sure that you have a rectangular piece of fabric. Do leave excess fabric on the ends to make sure that you have enough to leave room for error. And basically what I am going to be showing you guys what I'm doing here is centering the pillow to the fabric. What we're going to be doing is having the fabric meet in the middle and overlap. So you do want to make sure that you get this positioned correctly so that there's no issues afterwards. So yeah, just want to show you guys here that I want it to come to the middle. So I'm going to keep adjusting, and once I get that right, I'll just take my scissors and cut the end piece, because like I said, it's already in a rectangular shape, so I don't have to make them any adjustments. So whenever I do a project, guys, like this, where there's either sewing or gluing involved of fabric, I do like to triple check, because it's annoying when you get to the end and realize that something was wrong. So I'm going to fold this over one more time, and I'm going to just now check the sides to make sure that there's enough fabric there for me to go ahead and fold that over and glue it. I am not sewing this. I'm not pulling out an ounce of a needle or thread. I am going to be gluing this, but I do need to make sure that there's enough that the pillow can fit. And also, I'll give you another, just give you a tip here. If it is a stretch fabric, you do want to pull it tighter when you are gluing or sewing, whichever you prefer to do, because it is going to give a little, and you want it to be tighter, or else you're going to have a little bit of extra room. So that's just a little tip I wanted to give you guys here, as I am triple checking the fabric. So after you triple check, we're gonna go ahead and glue one side down, and then we will do the other. And I will be using, as you guys will see, hot glue and the 6000, I believe, I don't know which one I have, glue, just because I want that bond to be tight, but hot glue does tend to dry a little bit more instantly, and that way, if nothing will have a chance to kind of shift or go out of place while the other glue is bonding. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and mark the mark the pillow with a white Sharpie pen. I can't find my chalk. I'm going to mark the center and mark the corners as well, just so that I get an idea as to where the pillow will be, and make sure that I don't go too far off from that mark, so that it fits properly after I glue it. Okay guys, so I have my E6000 glue and I am going to start with that because the hot glue does dry very quickly. I'm just going to put a few dots into the fold, and then once I have enough for that section, I'm going to do the hot glue. I do advise you do it by section because like I said, the hot glue dries pretty fast and you can't keep it open too long or else you're going to find that it dried up. So I am gonna go ahead and do this on both sides, guys. When you use the hot glue, another tip I have for you is to pull out something other than your fingers to press down in it because it is very hot and you can feel it through the fabric. Now once both sides are done, that's the majority of what you will need with the glue. You can triple check to make sure that everything's secure, but I can attest to the fact that I've had this for a few days and it has not moved out. So once that is done, guys, you can go ahead and turn the fabric inside out. I would say to check the corners just to make sure there's no holes there. And then that's it, guys. Grab your pillow, stuff it in, and you have your velvet cover pillowcase.